Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I will show you important settings that you need to turn on right now to activate theft alert while charging your phone on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find the tutorial useful and you are foreign new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on here, open my phone settings. Then I'll get into your phone settings. Next thing you need to do is to come to the search from the top. What you need to do here is to simply type in security and click on enter. Then it takes you to the different security on your phone. What you need to do is to go to password and security right here. Then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down. Then go to mobile anti-theft. Click on that. Then it's take you right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on theft alert. Under the theft alert, what you need to do is to turn on this toggle. Click on that, then it's automatically turned. You can see alert is on. Then you will receive a notification. So charging disconnected. When you are charging your phone, maybe in a public place, so you can see you will be alerted if charging is disconnected. Just like so, you can see it. So this alert here is very much important to protect you from lost your phone as a result of charging it somewhere else. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is one of the important security that you need to turn on Android phone, anti-theft Android phone that you need to turn on right now. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.